Hi, how are you? Hope everyone is well. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show to you how to delete the folders that are not deleted. Example, you want delete this file. If you select this file, then hit the delete button, but it's not delete. So how can do it? In this purpose, first of all, open your Google Chrome browser or any internet browser and type here Fiverr download. Then click this first option. Then download this software and install this software. When download and install this software, then click your that's folder that are not deleted and press mouse right side button. Then go to Windows and add to. Okay. Then you can see this dialog box and select this box, delete files are available. Then hit this OK option. When it's complete, your folder will look like this. Then select this file and press mouse right side button and delete it. You'll see it will be deleted very easily. So dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.